Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard in Excel. So open an Excel sheet and let's say we want to make it a dashboard. So what you do is you select this whole data, go to Insert button, click on the table and it will convert to a table. Now you can go to Insert and make it a chart with this. As you can see, instantly there is a chart. And for the slicer, from your keyboard you can press Alt and SF and you can click on the marks and results option. For this, as you can see, they are your slicer are also added. Now you can customize or filter your data with these options. So yep, this is how you can create an instant dashboard in Excel. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video and bye bye for